Hi guys, just a quick video. I picked this one up off the table this morning. Salvia, Microphilia, Hot Lips. I actually love this plant. Beautiful plant, look at the flowers in that. Hot Lips. Okay, well I put one of our small cutting globes on this about 5 weeks ago, and I just see, you can see there all the little roots inside it. So I'm just going to do a quick video. So we're going to attempt to cut it off. Now I'm one-handed now with this phone, so excuse me. It's the right one there now. Okay. So that's the size of the new plant, which is absolutely amazing because that's a saleable plant already. Okay, so we're just going to, bear with me, just going to try and remove this. I removed the pins out of it already, the locking pins, because I knew I wouldn't be able to do that with two hands. Okay, there's a little root ball. Now, I could have done that a bit better now if I had my two hands. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have a pot ready. I'm going to make it whole. I'm going to stick it in without doing too much damage. Now we're going to give that a good watering. Now we have Mammy and Baby. What do you think of that? That was so easy. That took about 5 weeks. That with a small cutting globe. So there's another one on that there as well. You can actually see it at the back there. So you can put as many as you like in any one plant. Very simple to do. Just remove a piece of use the old wood, and just remove a piece of the bark all the way around. Paste it with a bit of rooting hormone powder, clip on your globe, fill it with compost, like so, and you just wrap it around, close it up, and walk away. Come back in about six to 8 weeks normally. As I say, this one was quite quick. Cut it off, plant it up. I might put a bit of a support cane on the back of that, and in a few weeks' time, that can be planted out into the garden. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.